Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 2500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.4 liter heavy-duty V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright silver, looks great. You do have that chrome accenting on your grille with your halogen headlights and your chrome bumper down there. Coming around the side here we do have our rims there, the 20-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. They look great. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right up there with your running boards along the bottom helping you get up on in. You do also have your 8-foot bench back here. Looks great, lots of room. You do have a chrome bumper back here as well. You can open this guy up. Tons and tons of room back here for storage, and it looks fantastic. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and you got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows and locks all right there. You got your handle here, a handle here, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The seats are very nice. The cloth is very soft. You do also have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. And up here, we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Also says how many kilometers we have, 50,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, your screen setup, your settings, and you can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Got our gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center we do have our radio, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there, as well as our media tab if we have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, or aux cord. Presets down here, phone options there, volume up and down with the power. You got your skips here, as well as our info, menu, and back buttons. Then you got your tuner and browser over there. Over here we do have our control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low. And then in the climate control we have our hazard lights. We have the power up and down with the circulation. You also have your AC and heat. And then right here we do have where it's going to blow out of. Down here you have your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Open that guy up, you got some storage in there. A little bit of storage down there. 3 cup holders here with your center armrest. Doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders there, as well as a USB and an aux cord plug-in right there. You can lift this guy up and you do have another seat, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we've got our top layer and our bottom layer for our glove boxes. Looks fantastic. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, you have the control over your windows, handle here, and some storage down there. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can lift this up and you do have some storage just underneath there, as well as underneath here you do have some additional storage, same of on the other side. And there's our 6.4 liter heavy-duty V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around for you, the 2017 Ram 2500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.